The award in Odia goes to Sanjay Kumar Panda. I expect the same kind of graphics for all the awardees. Sanjay Kumar Panda, a fiction writer in Odia, was born on 10th July 1990 in Rakta Tirtham, Iran, Odisha. He holds a master's degree in Odia and B.Ed and knows Hindi and English besides Odia. He is currently working as a teacher, began writing during 2004 and has published 3 collections of short stories. He is a recipient of Kathanava Pratibha, Kadambari Nava Unmesha, Haji Ashraf Ali Uday Pratibha, Fakir Mohan Yuga Galpika Awards. Who Baiwa is a collection of the short stories talking about the lives of the downtrodden and common people, the ones who are neglected. The stories beautifully encapsulate the themes such as women empowerment, love transcending age and time, unfailing conveying the universal message of humanity. The author, with his excellent narrative art and striking social concern, leaves deep impact on the readers. As such, Sahitya Academy is happy to confer its Shiv Puraskar in Odia and Sanjay Kumar Panda for his collection of short stories. Thank you. The award in Punjabi goes to Ranveer.